Hey cats and dogs, it's Sarah here, and I'm going to make a Paw Patrol mini bedroom. You will need a box, glue sticks, washable glue, scissors, any kind of paper, felt for the carpet. By the way, you don't need this, I'm using it because I want to. Hot glue gun. A door, by the way, I printed out a door. And stickers. Now I'm going to put on these stickers, and by the way, I put in one on the door. This one I put in on the wall. This is one of the main characters named Ryder. This main character that is a puppy, her name is Guy. This character is Chase. Chase is on the case. This puppy is Marshall. And this is Everest. This is Rubble. Rubble on the double. This is Rocky. This is Zuma. Ready, set, get wet. Next, I'm going to cut out some felt for the carpet. And I already hot glued it on. Next, I'm going to cut out the sides of the box because I don't need it. And I'm going to cut out a top for the box.